Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show top 7 craziest predictions about the future experts say are going to happen. The future. It's either going to be really, really amazing, or really, really awful. Will we be commuting to work on flying bicycles on air-conditioned highways, or replaced by robots and hiding in our homes because antibiotics have stopped working? Will cancer be cured? Will there be internet on Mars? Will the letter Q still exist? We have so many questions, and luckily the experts have answers. Number 1. You'll communicate with dead relatives via virtual reality. Ray Kurzweil, a futurist and director of engineering at Google, doesn't like the idea of people he loves dying any more than you do. We can't stop them from dying, but we can preserve their memories a little better than just fading photographs. He thinks we're heading towards an age when we'll be able to create virtual reality avatars of our deceased loved ones, realistic enough that we can interact with them. This will be a way to bring him back, he says, referring to his father. Even if it isn't fully realistic to bring these people back in AI, it'll be close. And for more astonishing factoids, check out the 100 awesome facts about everything. Number 2. Your kitchen will restock itself. Amazon is already launching drone delivery, but if even that sounds like too much effort, the kitchen of tomorrow won't need you to notice that your milk is running low or you're almost out of beer. Containers will send out alerts on their own when they're in need of replenishing. And to make sure yours will keep you healthy for longer, give your fridge this list of the 40 heart foods to eat after 40. Number 3. You'll check email with your contact lenses. Engineers at Samsung are hard at work trying to develop a pair of contact lenses that let you go online and read your favorite websites without lifting a finger. How does it work? Well, it involves a light-emitting diode on an off-the-shelf soft contact lens, using a material the researchers developed, a transparent, highly conductive, and stretchy mix of graphene and silver nanowires. They've already tested it on rabbits, who apparently have been tweeting lots of mean comments from their eyes all year. No, that's a joke. But the contact lenses are entirely real. And if you're looking for more mind-blowing trivia, don't miss the 50 crazy celebrity facts you won't believe are true. Number 4. Mars will get rings like Saturn. Saturn's rings always made it the most recognizable planet in our solar system, but it may lose those bragging rights in another 20 to 40 million years. Mars could one day get its own outer ring. It all depends on its moon, Phobos, which is getting closer and closer to the red planet's surface. If it doesn't crash into Mars, it will break apart into countless tiny bits, which will continue to orbit the planet. Pretty cool, right? And for some surprising trivia much closer to home, check out the 20 amazing facts you never knew about your body. Number 5. We'll be communicating with thoughts. The BBC is pretty confident we can make this happen in the not-so-distant future. Picking up thoughts and relaying them to another brain will not be much harder than storing them on the net, claims futurologist Ian Pearson. Oh great, so now even our own thoughts have to be politically correct all the time? We are in so much trouble. To learn how to train your mind to avoid any future awkwardness, try the 10 ways to focus betting during meditation. Number 6. CGI will replace actors entirely. CGI has been used for everything from creating new scenes of actors in their youth to replacing actors who've died. How long before it just replaces them completely? Brad Pitt and Tom Cruise can relax for now, but according to Nadia Magnanat-Thalmann, a computer graphics scientist and founder and head of MIRA Lab at the University of Geneva, as the technology improves, anyone who isn't an A-list actor will likely be done more and more by computer. Number 7. The days will get a lot longer. We're not talking about the summer solstice, where it just feels like the days are longer because there's more sunlight. We mean literally longer. Granted, you'd need to live a long time to experience it, as we're only gaining about 1.7 milliseconds every 100 years. But it's still amazing to think that one of the things we consider absolute can actually be altered. It won't affect you, but your great-great-great-great-grandkids are going to have a little more time in their day to get everything done. And if you're looking to get more done in our paltry 24 hours, know the 15 ways to double your productivity in half the time. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon, goodbye.